Woodside update. The 61st Street Woodside station, which serves both the Flushing, No. 7, line and the Long Island Railroad, is undergoing a comprehensive rehabilitation to bring it to a state of good repair. Planned improvements include restoration of the existing track bed, repairs to the track support structure, reconstruction of the island platforms, structural upgrades within the mezzanine, and replacement of the existing stairways. These enhancements will strengthen the station's infrastructure and extend its useful life by an estimated 25 years. The escalator connecting the south side of Roosevelt Avenue to the 61st Street Woodside station is being replaced. The existing escalator will be upgraded to a new, wider model designed to enhance accessibility and passenger flow. Throughout the project, pedestrian access along Roosevelt Avenue, as well as entry to nearby businesses, will remain open. The station's elevator and staircase will also stay in service for public use. Completion of the new escalator is expected in the first quarter of 2026.
Attention everyone, Manhattan-bound 7 train.
There is a local 7 train to Flushing Main Street. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
I'm Charles. I'm a United States.